If you had $2,000 to invest in crypto today, how would you split it to balance growth, safety, and long-term gains? In this video, I'm breaking down a simple step-by-step crypto portfolio you can copy and adjust to your own risk level. Let's jump in. First, understand this. A good crypto portfolio is not about chasing the next meme coin. It's about risk management and smart allocation. Think of your portfolio like a pyramid. Strong foundation at the bottom, higher risk at the top. So here's how we divide $2,000 step by step. Step 1. The foundation. 50% of the portfolio. That's $1,000 going into the safest and most established cryptocurrencies. We split this into two parts. $600 goes into Bitcoin. Why? Bitcoin is the leader of the market. It has the strongest adoption, biggest market cap, and historically leads every major bull run. When crypto grows, Bitcoin usually grows first. Then $400 goes into Ethereum. Ethereum powers smart contracts, DeFi, NFTs, and thousands of crypto apps. If Bitcoin is digital gold, Ethereum is the internet of crypto. This first step protects your portfolio and gives long-term stability. Step 2. Large cap altcoins. 25%. That's $500 for strong projects with real use cases and big ecosystems. Here's a simple split. $150 into a top exchange or ecosystem token, $150 into a Layer 2 scaling project, $100 into a strong DeFi project, $100 into an AI or data-focused crypto. These coins grow faster than Bitcoin and Ethereum during bull runs, but still have solid fundamentals. Step 3. Mid-cap growth coins, 15%. That's $300 allocated to rising projects with strong potential. This is where you look for coins that are building real technology, but are still early. These projects can grow 5x, 10x in the right market conditions, but they also carry more risk. Split this into 3 projects at $100 each. Never put everything into one coin. Diversification is your protection. Step 4. High risk. Moonbag, 10%. That's $200 for small cap or trending narratives. This is your what-if money. Meme coins, gaming coins, new launches, high risk but huge upside. Only invest what you are comfortable losing here. A smart move is splitting this into 4 smaller bets of $50 each. One winner can outperform the rest. Now let's recap the full $2,000 portfolio. $1,000. Bitcoin and Ethereum, $500. Large cap altcoins, $300. Mid-cap growth projects, $200. High-risk moonshots. This structure balances safety, growth, and opportunity. Final tip. Don't invest everything at once. Use dollar-cost averaging. Buy weekly or monthly to reduce risk and avoid bad timing. Crypto rewards patience, not panic. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you subscribe for more simple crypto strategies. See you in the next video.